Waterworks by KhanhLinh. Water comes from oceans, clouds, lakes, and rivers. Water also comes from rain, snow, ice, and hail. Without water, plants would not be able to grow, animals would die of thirst, and the human race will become extinct. That's why water is extremely precious. 70% of the earth is covered by water. Most of it, though, is salty, undrinkable seawater. So how does it change into clean, drinkable water? Well, the sun heats up the water and turns it into vapor. We call this change evaporation. The water vapor rises into the atmosphere. It eventually condenses and creates clouds. The clouds are transported by wind to other places which have different climates. In time, the clouds become heavier and gradually sinks down. This can happen all over the world, even at seas and deserts. The water can fall as rain, snow, ice, and hail. This precipitation isn't salty because the salt stays in the ocean. It doesn't evaporate. Most of us can turn a tap on in our houses and water comes out. We do not have to collect our water from the river. The water has been sent to our homes through pipes. The most vital way we need water for is drinking. Our bodies are made of mostly water and a balance must be maintained. The same is true for animals and plants. Water is also used to keep our bodies, house, clothes, and dishes clean. This is important because bacteria and germs can make us unwell. The majority of the food we eat is made by using water, either in its production or when it is being cooked. When we cook with water, for example, cooking rice and pasta, we use the water not to only make them warm but also to rehydrate it. Finally, water is used to flush the toilets. It is an effective way of removing human waste whilst reducing the odor. Industries needs and uses a colossal amount of water each day in order to make products for us. Water is consumed in a vast amount when making such common everyday items such as the production of clothes, paper, paints, pottery, plastics, and glass. However, water can also be used to generate electricity by damming up a water supply and forcing it through a turbine. This is a cheap and less polluting way of making energy. Water is polluted nearly everywhere around the world. Some are even made by Mother Nature. 70% of the earth is covered by water. 3% of it is fresh water. If you throw rubbish in the water, fish will die. Water can be polluted by washing machines. In water, there are sometimes bubbles. We can protect water by turning polluted water into clean water, then use it again. We should only use soap when we use because the soap we have to wash away with water, and the water will go back to the sea, so the sea will have soap. We should only use water when we need to, like drinking, cooking, and